Hi friends! Welcome to our Something to Watch series. My name is Angelica and I'm an early childhood science educator at Carnegie Science Center. Now I'm at home practicing social distancing, but that doesn't mean that we can't have fun. So today I'm going to show you an activity with bubble wrap. For this activity, there are some supplies that you're going to need. For the start of the show, you're going to need some bubble wrap. I have some bubble wrap here that is smaller in size. And I also have some bubble wrap that is larger in size. You will also need some type of paint. Today I'm going to be using paints that are the primary colors. So I have red, blue, and yellow. You will also need a paintbrush or something to spread your paint with, as well as some type of paper to do your prints on. Today I'm going to be using white paper so I can see all of my colors that I will be mixing today. So to get started, you are going to choose any color that you'd like and you're going to spread it on top of your bubble wrap with the bubble side facing up. So I'm going to start with some blue paint. I'm going to spread it on a part of my bubble wrap. I'm then going to switch over to another color. I'm now going to use red. And again, spreading that across my bubble wrap. And then moving on to my last color, I'm going to use some yellow. Now on my sheet, I chose to use the same paintbrush for all of my colors because I want to see my colors mixing. If you don't want that, feel free to use a different paintbrush for each color. So now once you have your paint on top of your bubble wrap the way you like it, I will show you mine. I have some different color stripes there. I'm gonna lay it back down and I'm gonna grab a piece of paper and I'm gonna put the paper on top of that part of the bubble wrap that I have painted. So you lay it on top and you wanna give it some pressure. You wanna press down on it so that all of your paint transfers onto your paper. And once you peel it off, it will reveal the print of your bubble wrap. So you can continue this process as many times as you'd like on the same paper or even on a different piece of paper. I am complete now and I have two different pieces of artwork from my different size bubble wrap, but I think they both look great in their own way. And when you are all done, I hope you enjoy your artwork just as much as I enjoy mine. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my activity. If you would like to see other fun science activities, you can go to our website at carnegiesciencecenter.org, where you will find something to read, something to watch, and something to do every day. See you guys later.